All right, in this video, we're going to talk about how to use notes in Zotero. Whatever your note-taking process is, you may find this helpful in Zotero, or you may find other note-taking programs helpful. But I just want to show you how to use this in Zotero. And the first thing I would say is there are two types of notes. The first one is what's called a standalone note, and the second one is called a child note. And so let's talk about the standalone note. To create a standalone note, you just click on this little post-it note icon here, say new standalone note, and here's your standalone note. You'll notice this side changes depending on your note-taking style. I may say introduction or 01 introduction. There's a reason I do that. And then I might, type in my introduction, I want to do whatever, whatever I want to do. Okay. Then I can come in and create another standalone note and say, 02, first point, and then go into how I'm going to argue for my first point. That may be a way I use notes. You can also create related items and tags, and we'll talk about those in other videos. One of the features of Zotero that I really like is you can actually highlight both of these items, right-click them, and generate a report from the item. And when you do that, it actually puts your notes in the order that they are on the page, and you can actually print this off and use this if you like to work with notes by your side as you type, or have this PDF and in a way that you can read it. It's very helpful. So that's one of the helpful uses of notes in Zotero. The other thing you can do is actually create a parent note. So a child note, excuse me. If you click on the reliability of the Old Testament, you can click on add child note there, or you can just go to notes and then add, and now you've added. So you can actually add multiple notes to a particular item. So let's say he argues for the late date of the Exodus. His reasons are, alright, so I would list his reasons there. That's one way I could use the note. I could come back and add another note if I wanted to, by clicking on the title and then click add another note, and it might be my thoughts are, ... And then I can again come in here and generate a report. Right click on these two items, generate report, and I can have my notes related to this guy, especially if you're doing a literature review. That will be helpful. Okay, so that's how you make notes in Zotero, and that's it for this video.